Hello everybody, it's me again. I'm just going to show you guys how to get the new plugin, the HD webcam plugin. This is a custom updated plugin that I actually made with assistance of AI, and I'm going to show you how to install it. As you can see, you're going to go to this, it's in the bio or the description, whatever. It's going to be right here. You click on it. If you click on it, you're going to get the raw GitHub content. All you have to do, hit Control S, save it, and boom, you're going to get that. And then you're going to take this and you're going to drag it into your plugins folder. You can get to there by downloading Better Discord and putting it over Discord. And then here, you're going to paste it in over here. And once you have that, you'll see it pop up. It's going to be right here, HD webcam. And if you want, you can tweak the settings. You can get 1080p, you can get even 4K, 1440, 720, and as low as 480. You can go up to 144 frames per second. I found that that was kind of the limit for Discord, what it could handle. And most people with monitors aren't really going to see anything above 60 FPS, so there's no difference to be made. But either way, it's a cool feature. If you want, you can play around with the custom frame rate, and I recommend keeping these two the same. And that's about it. For proof that it works, hold on, let me double check that it's actually active. I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. You'll just join a voice call. I'm in the diarrhea club. You're just going to turn on your thing. Oops. Let's turn on my virtual camera real quick just to see. And as you can see in the preview, it is 60 frames per second, which is awesome. There is no delay whatsoever either. So this is going to help a lot, and it's operating way below what it should be. So that means it's going to run even faster for you guys. So either way, I hope you guys have a good day, and yeah, that's it.